Let's work now and try this on your own too. So let's use cube to identify important information. So Diego decided to invest. So I would underline and invest $500 rather than the tax refund rather than spending it. He found a bank that would pay him 4%. So 4% interest compounded annually. If he deposits the entire $500 and does not deposit or withdraw any other amount, how much money will be in the bank after 6 years? So we have 6 years here, and how much money will be in the bank? Uh, does not deposit or withdraw any amount, and he deposits the entire deposits. Okay, and the question here is how much money will be in the bank after 6 years. Okay, now look for keywords here to identify what kind of exponential function this one, so that you will be guided as to what formula you will use in finding the solution here. Here in this case you have options now whether you want to do the long process by making drawings, or you can just use the formula. Okay, so I'll just use the formula this time. Now in this case, since you are putting the money in the bank and you are earning interest in there, so it means that this one is growing. Okay, so this one actually illustrates because of the interest. So the keyword here is interest, means you are growing your money. So this one is an increasing one, which means that this one is an exponential growth. So this is the one that I would like to find whether this one is an increasing situation or a decreasing situation. So in this case, because you are earning interest, that means it is an increasing situation. And our formula now would be y is equal to a times 1 plus r raised to the exponent x. And a represents the beginning amount, so we identify them. So we have a is equal to the beginning amount is $500, and the time is 6 years, and your r is usually in percent, so you have here 4%. And always change this one to decimal by dividing 4 divided by 4. So yeah, 4 divided by 100, so 4 divided by 100, and you have here 0.04. And simply substitute the values you have identified. So we have a is 500 times 1 plus r is 0.04 raised to the exponent 6. Once you have that, I really encourage you to just write that down, the calculate the way how it looks like. So we have here 500 times 1 plus 0.04 raised to the exponent 6. Then press enter. So this one now actually is equal to 632.659. Okay. Now, it did not say where to round this off. I suggest that you round this off to a whole number because you are giving whole numbers here. So shall we just round this off to whole numbers? So this one actually becomes, after 2 is 6, so this one becomes $633. So approximately this would be your money in the bank after 6 years. And do not forget to make a description on your final answer. So this is the amount of money in the bank after 6 years. So again, do not forget to make description in your final answer.